Hello everyone. So our topic is about finance companies. So first, let me discuss to you what is finance. Finance is the management of funds and money, and it involves activities such as budgeting, borrowing, forecasting, investing, lending, and saving. In other words, finance is a management of money. So next, I will discuss to you the top 8 best financial companies in the Philippines to invest in 2023. So first, um, did you know that many people who have been investing in stock market or planning to invest soon consider the large cap stocks of the financial industry? After all, investing is about growing money, and money is the main business core of the financial empire. So what are financial companies? Financial companies are businesses and institutions that provides financial products and services, including banking, insurance, investing, and digital payment system. The financial sector is very important in the lifeblood of any company or of an economy. It contributes to growth and stability of the country. So this is the top 10 best financial companies in the Philippines in 2023. First, we have the BDO or Unibank Incorporation. BDO is the number one bank in the Philippines in terms of assets, under management, deposits, loans, and capital. It is a banking segment of a SM group of companies, one of the country's biggest and most successful conglomerates. The biggest bank in the Philippines has over 1,500 operating branches nationwide. Last October, BDO has reported that their earnings are back to pre-pandemic levels. The stock is also back to its bullish trends as investors gain more confidence with BDO's brighter outlook. The second is Bank of the Philippines Island or BPI. BPI is the largest publicly listed financial company in the Philippines with over 491 billion market capitalization. BPI is the oldest bank in the Philippines, founded in 1951. BPI is also the first bank in the Southeast Asia region. Why invest in BPI stock? BPI is the banking arm of the Ayala Group of companies, one of the wealthiest firms in the country. BPI has a strong balance sheet and high liquidity ratios. If you like generous dividend paying stock, you can rely on BPI. The current dividend yield in 1.97%. Furthermore, BPI has sustainable in customer acquisitions growth and focus on accelerating in digital transformation. So the third is Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company or MBT. Metro Bank is among the top three banks in the Philippines. The bank was established in 1962 and had been providing financial services to large local and multinational firms, middle market and SMEs, the retail sector, and the high net worth individuals even to this time. So the first of an exchange trade funds in the Philippines or FMETF was launched by Metrobank Group. Metrobank is always one of the top investment companies in the Philippines for its various investment products. It also owns the most advanced traditions platforms in the country, or first Metrosec Pro. Union Bank was founded in 1968 as Union Savings and Mortgages Bank. Later in 1982, it became a commercial bank. Union Bank has been consistently recognized among Asia's lending companies as one of the top universal banks in terms of profitability and efficiency. Why invest in Onion Bank stock? Onion Bank is always the favorite bank of millennials. It became popular among the first to prioritize the next gen banking innovations because of its digital transformations, and Onion Bank is one or is now the best digital bank in the Philippines. Among the 8 banks in the country, Onion Bank is the only digital bank licensed by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas 2021. The fifth is China Banking Corporation or CHIB. China Bank was established in 1920 and opened on the Quentin Paredes Street in Binondo, the world's oldest Chinatown, trusted by Chinese merchants and prominent businessmen. China Bank remains one of the Philippines' most respected robust financial companies. The bank's 2022 net income increased by 27% YOY and both earnings 19.1 billion with higher return on equity of 15.1%. Like BDO, China Bank is also a banking business segment of the SM Group, a financial firm that is backed by a giant conglomerate in the Philippines has abundant benefits to prosper. So number six is Security Bank Corporation or SECB. Security Bank was established in 1951. Was the first private Filipino-controlled bank of the post-World War II. It is now among the lending universal banks in the Philippines. Security Bank's core businesses are wholesale banking, financial markets, and retail banking. Security Bank has 316 branches across the Philippines. SACB Stack also has a buy rating, and our estimated target price is 140. We believe most banks will benefit from the easing businesses and travels restrictions. Number 7, the Philippine National Bank or PNB. PNB is the first universal bank in the Philippines. It was established in 1916 and is now a powerhouse of excellent banking in the Philippines. PNB is among the largest privately owned commercial banks in the country today. If the banking firms of Lushonan Group of Companies or LT Group, PNB has the widest international reach among the other top banks in the Philippines, with more than 71 branches, respective offices, remittance centers, and subsidiaries across Asia, Europe, the Middle East, and North America. Philippine National Bank's net income skyrocketed in the first half of 2022. It reported a net income of 11.1 billion. We think that PNB will maintain its strong positions and remain among the Philippines lending banks of financial sector. Number 8, East West Banking Corporation or EW. East West Bank is the youngest best bank in the Philippines. It was established in 1994, yet is already among the largest bank in the Philippines or in the country in terms of market capitalization. It is one of the fastest growing bank in the Philippines and one of the top biggest private owned banks in terms of assets. Despite inflation, East West Bank reported a surge of 16.6% net income in 3Q 2022. Their asset deposits and capital also grow amid the economic challenges. We like growing companies and East West is proud the continued the momentum in this decade. So that is the top 8 biggest financial companies in the Philippines.
Types of business finance. First is the debt finance. Second is finance companies. Third is the financial institution. The fourth is the equity finance. Fifth is the family or friends. And last is the mezzanine finance. What is debt business finance? Debt can be simply understood as the amount owed by the borrower to the lender. A debt is a sum of money that is borrowed for a certain period of time and is to be returned along with their interest. The amount as well as the approval of the debt depends upon the creditworthiness of the borrower. So, ano ito yan? Ang debt is mo na siya ang imong kwartang gihiram or utang. Debt, utang. Simply that, siya ang utang. Pero, ang debt business finance is na ano siya, halimbawa nanghiram ka og kwarta tapos ang sa gihirman nimo nga tao is naa siya 15% interest. Kunwari nanghiram ka og 1,000 pesos, so expectedly ang imong ibalik ana along with together with the capital is if ano siya ang ginabayaran nimo kada bulan sa interest is kay 15% man 1,000 ang giram, ano siya, 150. So kung mabayad ka ana nga day together with the capital, ang imong mabayaran is 1,150 pesos. Second is the finance companies, an organization that makes loans to individuals and businesses. A finance company does not receive cash deposits from clients, nor does it provide some other services common to banks such as checking accounts. So, ang mga finance companies mo na siya ang mga kumpanya nga nag-provide og mga loan, like unsa na siya nga mga companies nga nagpa-provide og loan, halimbawa SS, di ba? SS, Pag-ibig, nag-offer sila og mga loans, mga loan. Nag-update sample po sa mga kang companies nga na make og loans, Cristylyn Bank, ganun. Nag-offer sila og mga loans sa mga tao. Sana doon ng mga farmers, ganun. Tapos financial institution. Financial institution, ang financial institution, types of financial are commercial banks, investment banks, insurance companies, and brokerage firms. So, ang katong Cristylyn Bank, ano siya, nakapaloob, financial appeal siya sa finance companies, pero nakapaloob siya sa financial institution. Kanya kabutan diri types na siya, appeal siya sa types of Thus, it offers wide range of products and services for individual and commercial clients such as deposits, loans, investments, and currency exchange. So, ang financial institution, appeal siya, nag-offer siya of wide range wide range services sa mga kliyente. Like kanang mga loans na halimbawa, mag-loan ka, tapos dugay na mo bayaran. So, mo na ang financial institution. Tapos, next is the equity in business finance. It is the total of money that would be returned to your shareholders if your debt was paid off and your assets were liquidated. Ano ba ito siya? Ito yung kabuuan ng pera na ibabalik mo sa mga shareholders mo kapag yung utang mo is nabayaran mo na, tapos yung mga assets mo is na liquidated na. So ganun yun yung equity in business finance. Yun yung kabuuang pera ba na na ibabalik mo sa shareholders. Next is family or friends in finance. A common form of finance like trade credit and overdraft facilities refers to stock offered by a new business to friends, family members, or other associates of the company executives. Family and friend shares are offered to people close to the heads of startup. So, family or friends in finance, siya kayo, tumutukoy ito sa stock na, halimbawa, nagtayo ka ng bagong business, tapos, inaalok mo to sa, mga relatives mo, sa mga friends, naalok mo sa, sa friends mo, yung bagong stocks, na, new business ka ha, tapos inaalok mo to sa mga friends mo, yung mga stocks mo na relatives, ganun. Yan yung ito yun yung family, tumutukoy sa stock na inaalok ng isang bagong negosyo sa mga kaibigan o miyembro. Next is the mezzanine finance. is any subordinated debt or preferred equity instrument that represent a claim on a company's asset which is senior only to the common shares. A business loan that offers repayment terms adapted to company cash flow. So, ang general finance mo na siya ang business loans nga nag-offer og mga repayment terms. Tapos ano siya, represent a claim in ano rin to, business finance, ano siya, equity instrument na nag-represent a claim on a company assets. So using the business finance na kay ayaw business financing can be structured either utang siya or perfect stocks, which is muna ang mezzanine financing. Ano siya, binubuo ng either utang ba siya or perfect stock. Muna siya ang mezzanine finance.